Welcome back to MediLife Res. I'm Dr. Rez, your ultimate destination for health and wellness tips. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos. Today, we're talking about something that's close to many of our hearts: hair care. Specifically, we'll be discussing the top 5 herbs and oils that can help stop hair loss and promote healthier hair growth. Let's dive in. Hair loss can be a major concern, but nature offers us some fantastic remedies. Here are 5 powerful herbs and oils that can make a big difference. First up, we have rosemary oil. This herb has been used for centuries to stimulate hair growth. Rosemary oil improves circulation to the scalp, encouraging hair follicles to grow. In fact, a study published in SKINmed Journal found that rosemary oil was just as effective as minoxidil, a common hair regrowth treatment, but with fewer side effects like itching and dandruff. To use it, mix a few drops of rosemary oil with a carrier oil, such as coconut or olive oil, and massage it into your scalp. Leave it on for at least 10 minutes before washing it out. Next on the list is peppermint oil. Known for its cooling effect, peppermint oil increases blood flow to the scalp, which helps in promoting hair growth. It also has antimicrobial properties that can help keep your scalp healthy and free from infections. Next on the list is lavender oil, is another amazing oil for your hair. It has antimicrobial and antibacterial properties, which can improve scalp health. Additionally, lavender oil can help relieve stress, which is a common cause of hair loss. Applying lavender oil mixed with a carrier oil can make your hair thicker and stronger over time. Next on the list is aloe vera. Isn't just great for your skin, it's fantastic for your hair too. Aloe vera has enzymes that promote healthy hair growth by removing dead cells from your scalp. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe an irritated scalp and reduce dandruff, which can contribute to hair loss. Last but not least, coconut oil. This oil is rich in fatty acids that penetrate the hair shaft and reduce protein loss, which is a major cause of hair breakage and loss. Coconut oil also has antimicrobial properties that can protect your scalp from infections and promote overall scalp health. A study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Science found that coconut oil was the only oil that reduced protein loss for both undamaged and damaged hair. To use it, warm a small amount of coconut oil in your hands and massage it into your scalp and hair. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes, or overnight for deeper conditioning, and then wash it out with shampoo. And there you have it, the top 5 herbs and oils to stop hair loss and boost hair growth. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might benefit from these tips. Drop a comment below with your favorite hair care remedies and let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for tuning into MediLife Res, and we'll see you in the next video.